How to change the display settings in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. Go to the bottom right side of the screen in Silhouette Studio and click the gear icon Preferences. Step 2. Go to the Display tab in the Preferences window. Step 3. Click the Current Theme drop-down, select a light or dark theme and click OK. Step 4. The selected theme will be applied. Step 5. Click on the gear icon to go back to Preferences again. Step 6. Go to the Display tab and click the background color drop-down. Step 7. You can set the background color to light, gray, dark, or the current theme. Step 8. Once you've selected the background color, click OK and the changes will be applied. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.